guys, we're just setting up for our new burger recipe video. If you want to cook along with us, there'll be a link in description below for our food blog.
Hey foodie fans, and welcome back to our YouTube and welcome back to the channel. And today we are making a very special burger recipe for Jordan, and that is called the Jordan burger. And Jordan, why is it called that?
Because it's my favourite burger.
Exactly. However, we've been making this burger for a while now and everyone says that it's really good. So we're going to show you how to make it. Forget your kebab house burger, forget McDonald's, forget Burger King, frozen rubbish. This is going to be a beautiful homemade succulent juicy burger with a lovely hint of smoke in there from the bacon and the cheese. And as Jordan said earlier, guys, if you want to cook along with me, there's a link down in the description for our food blog with recipes, ideas, pictures and videos so you can make all our food. So Jordan, tell us about your special burger. What's in it?
So in the special burger, there'll be minced beef, there'll be smoked bacon, applewood smoked cheese, mayonnaise, shredded lettuce, and red onion.
Now guys, when you're making a burger, the most important thing, well, what's the main ingredient to a burger, Jordan?
Beef.
So the most important thing to get right is the beef. So I want to take 2 minutes of your time just to give you a little bit of advice on the best beef to get. So you can go down to your supermarket or your butcher. What you're looking for is an 80-20 fat to meat split. So that's 80% beef and 20% fat, which you need. You want that fat to keep the burger nice and moist, and you want it nice and juicy in the middle. So 80-20 fat mix. If you can, look out for chuck, sirloin and brisket mixes. Those are great for burgers. Or use a beautiful Aberdeen Angus Scottish beef, which is what we've got here, Jordan. Let me show you my beef. Just look at this, guys. Beautiful Aberdeen Angus minced beef here. And we're looking, as I said, 80-20 split. This makes a great burger. And this is Jordan's favourite meat for the Jordan burger, is the Aberdeen Angus. So Jordan, most people think that making a burger involves going over to the freezer, getting one out of here and putting it in the oven. That's not how we do it, guys. We're gonna take this fresh minced beef, or ground beef, as they say in America, ground beef. And we're gonna add a couple of seasonings, a bit of egg, some panko breadcrumbs, and that's all it is, guys. It's so simple, and a bit of salt and pepper. It's that simple, even Jordan could do it. That's why it's really called the Jordan burger. Okay guys, let's get started. So we take our lovely ground beef. This is where you're gonna get your hands a bit dirty. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. You can wear gloves if you like. Beautiful beef. Take this into here. I'm gonna take this little bit off at the bottom there. And we're gonna give this a little, how's your father? A little mince around. So into here we're gonna take an egg yolk initially. We might need two. It depends on how the beef is. You can't need to fill with your hands really. So we'll start with one. And this is my little way of separating out an egg yolk, Jordan, over here. Just take that like that, in between your hands. One egg yolk. One egg yolk in. And bind. One more egg yolk. Into there. You just need to get all that in there, okay? And now, I'm gonna have a quick wash of my hands. And now into there, guys, a bit of seasoning. So first off, some lovely cracked black pepper. Oh yeah! And some Susie salts. I also like to use, Jordan, a bit of this. So this is lemon and herb salt, guys. Optional, of course. So we're gonna put sprinkling of this in here, okay? And now, these are called panko breadcrumbs. Gonna have a few of these into here.
Doesn't it help keep it together as
Yeah, it does. So it helps firm it up, keep it together. So there we go, guys. Now it's time to get our hands dirty again. It'd be nice if I had a bigger bowl, really, but unfortunately I don't. So this needs a tiny bit more of the breadcrumbs. Beautiful. Get that together in there. Lovely ground beef. Roll up, roll up. Right, so we're mixing all this up. It's slowly coming together now, guys. I can feel it. So now it's coming together. That's what we want, that consistency there. Just a quick wash of the hands, Jordan. So guys, after we finish making our beautiful mince with the panko, the egg yolks and the seasoning, we end up with this nice little firm bowl of beef, Jordan. Ready for our burgers. Now you can either take handfuls of this and roll them up into a ball, slap them down, Jordan, onto here to make the patties, or you can do what Jordan prefers and use a burger press to get the same even size throughout all the burgers, which is what we're gonna do, Jordan, right?
Yeah.
So let's go. So with the burger press, guys, you literally just get a nice hunk of this beautiful seasoned beef and you smash it in the burger press, Jordan. Smack the meat into the press. Oh, baby. And then we pop this little lid on, Jordan, and we give it a little push. Are you ready?
Yeah.
And what that does is it sets it in there with some nice lines on.
Very nice.
Now getting these out is somewhat of a challenge, guys, but I'll give you a little tip. And that tip is to get a very big knife.
I got told off in the last take for laughing.
Yes, you did. So now, tap this out. Smack it. And give it a little bit of a shaking. I can feel it. It's coming. There we go. And that is a beautiful Jordan pate or patty. We're gonna make 3 more, guys. Back with you in a second. And there we go. 4 beautiful burgers, guys. So now what we do is we put some greaseproof paper over the top of these, pop them in the fridge for half an hour to an hour to set, and then we're gonna come back and cook these from scratch and make the most amazing Jordan burgers. See you in a sec, guys. So guys, the burger patties are in the fridge chilling out.
Chilling.
Get it?
Chilling.
Get it? Oh.
Killing.
I give up. And now we're going to pre-grill the smoked bacon to go on top of the burger because we don't want a bit of limp bacon, Jordan. We want a bit of crisp bacon. So the idea is we'll cook it before, set it aside, and it'll crisp up and become beautiful and bacony. Searing hot griddle pan. Now a little test, Jordan. How do we know if our griddle pan's hot?
I don't know, Joe. How do you?
I'll show you. You take some water on your fingers. Okay, boys. Oh, the other thing is you can put your hands to... No, don't do that. Don't do that. So, we've got some beautiful smoked back bacon. Don't use streaky in this burger because it doesn't work well with the meat. So in. Don't overcrowd your pan. We're just going to do 2 slices at a time. So when you're cooking this bacon on the hot griddle pan, you want to make some nice sexy lines because that adds flavour, it looks amazing, and the taste is just woo! So to do that, get a spatula or a fish slice and really push the bacon into that pan, guys, so it gets all of that nice sear on it. So we're about ready to turn the bacon now. Let's have a look and see if we've achieved what we wanted. We're getting there, guys. So once again, get your spatula and really push that bacon in there. Okay, so now we're going to create some sexy angled char marks, Jordan. So what to do this, guys, get the spatula, just slightly release the bacon so it doesn't break or stick. I haven't got the best pan, unfortunately, I use it quite a lot. So now you can see the lines on this side, the lines on the other side, right? So if we turn it over like that, okay, you can see the lines now. So now we're going to turn it in an alternate direction like this. Okay? And what does that give us, Jordan?
That gives us different direction marks.
If you want to be really sexy, go at a slight angle. These are just being flipped, guys, and look at those sexy char marks. There you have it. Now, Jordan, these sexy little bad boys are all charred up, as you can see, and now we're going to set them to one side just to cool down and get extra crispy whilst we're waiting for the burger patties in the fridge. Okay, guys, so the bacon's done, the patties are done. Now we need to make the salad for the Jordan burger. Jordan is quite particular on the choice of salad here, so we are going to opt for, guys, some beautiful shredded lettuce on the bottom and some slices of red onion. Am I right, Jordan?
Yes.
Exactly. Red onion, guys. We want to just take off this little bit here. I'm going to cut some nice rings for the Jordan burger. So how we do this, guys, is we literally just take it really thin slices, like this. keep everything on the outside because we're just going to peel it straight off. I haven't got a faff about taking the skin off or anything. Can you see how thin those are, Jordan?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Because we haven't cut the onion, all we've got to do now, look, is just take off that little bit there. Okay? Take out the nasty bit in the middle. These are beautiful, look. Look at these.
These are beautiful.
In they go. And you just sit these on top of the burger like that. Very nice thin slices of onion. Jordan does complain if you make the slices too big, so make sure they're nice and thin. Jamie Oliver used to shoot these, do you remember?
Yeah.
But we're gonna, these are actually great for, if you think McDonald's and a lot of burger chains, the bottom of the bun normally always has, we call it shred lettuce on, add shred lettuce. So we are gonna use a bit of this, and it is nice with the burger. You get a nice bit of fresh crisp, and it works well with the red onion, I think. Yeah. So, I'm like He-Man. Okay, take the bottom bit off there, okay? Chuck that. And we're just going to get rid of first outer leaf. And now we're just going to shred this just like they do in McDonald's. And that is so simple. You just cut through like this. And then down like this. And then back like this. And I bet you can't guess which way we go next, Jordan. We go back like this. So you think of it really as you're just shredding the lettuce, and there we go. Add shred lettuce. Okay guys, very important that you get set up for making your burger ahead of time so everything is ready. So we've got here all of our toppings that we need. Our burger buns here and our mayo and everything else set up over here, guys. The oven is turned on to 180 degrees Celsius fan. The griddle pan is on. We'll do our quick test again, Jordan.
Yeah.
And it's ready to go. Yay. We've got here one of our pre-made Jordan burger patties from earlier, and we're going to lightly oil that and season it now, Jordan, and then get it into that searing hot pan. Yeah. So let's go. One Jordan burger. Okay, we're going to lightly season this with some just basic olive oil. Okay. And then we're going to just put a little bit of salt and pepper on top and put it into the pan. Searingly hot, guys, as hot as you can possibly get it to be.
Careful.
And be very careful. That's the sound we want, guys. Okay, and I'm just going to season the other side now. And some beautiful salt and pepper. So we want to cook that, guys, ideally for 4 minutes per side, and we'll do a slightly different flip at the end to get crisscross. As you can see, it's cooking away here. We're going to give it a little bit of a push in there to just seal in all those flavours and give it a lovely sear underneath. Pretty much you want to leave this alone whilst it's cooking, and make sure you've got a timer set so you know when to flip it. So we're about ready to flip this burger now, Jordan. As you can see, it's cooking nicely through on the bottom. Let's flip this burger. Whoa, look at the crust on that, guys. And now really push that in for a decent sear. And then, Jordan, 4 more minutes now on this side, but just before the end of that 4 minutes, we're going to start getting some nice angled char marks, and I'll show you how to do that now. We have about a minute left now, so what we're going to do is we're going to flip this over onto an alternate side and really push that in now to start getting that char effect on the burger. And you can see that smoke coming off it, the char, and that is all flavour, guys, 100% flavour. So we're going to give it a one last flip, and we're going to turn the heat down on there. Now, guys, on top of this burger, we're going to put some beautiful, sexy, smoky flavours. And the first one is this, Applewood smoked cheese slices. One of those goes on top there, Jordan. And then a slice of our beautiful pre-cooked smoked bacon on top of there like that. And this goes into the oven for about 2 minutes. Okay guys, so the burgers are in the oven. Now we need to toast the buns. It's very important you toast your bun because, Jordan, you don't want a soggy bottom, do you? So we're using these beautiful brioche buns. They're full of butter, so they'll toast up nicely. So Jordan, let's get them in the griddle pan. Downside first. So guys, a light toasting on either side. We'll just check these by eye. As you can see, they're starting to colour now. So we'll flip those in just a moment. Look at the toast on that, guys. Now we're going to toast the top of this one. This is the crown bun, as we call it, and we're going to give it a crisscross, Jordan, to look really cool. And how we do that is we just push this down here, and then we're going to twist it in about 10 seconds. First things first, guys, bottom bun. Mayonnaise. Take a spoon and spread it out so it's nice and even. Shred let. Beautiful shredded lettuce. Jordan's favourite, red onion. And now, guys, we're just waiting for that burger. Now, Jordan, in the oven right now, what's happening is the burger that's already cooked, that bacon and that smoked cheese is now going into that patty. And when we pop it on top of here and combine it with the rest of those flavours, it's just going to be absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh. One Jordan burger patty. Okay, Jordan, to finish this off, we take the Jordan burger patty. We place it on top of the burger, like this. Or the bun, should I say. We give it a little push. And now, Jordan, the piece of resistance, we add a little bit of mayonnaise on the top bun. And as I said earlier, we make sure it's spread out. Like that. And there we have a Jordan burger. And I think, Jordan, even though it's named after you,
I think you should try it.
I'm going to have to try it a bit. Oh my god. I'll see you later.